everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do, well, unbagging to do, so from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're going to unbag this item real quick. It does have a pull to open, save this seal, resealable bag for returns. Interesting. Very interesting. Never gotten one of a bag like this before then. That is a big bag. Holy crap. I'll definitely have to save this bag. This bag is huge. Oh, it is an Astro Pneumatic. This bag's got a... What the heck is the length of this bag? This bag is 22 inches long. It's 15.5 inches wide. Wow, that is a big bag. It does have a adhesive on the inside. I'm definitely going to have to keep that bag. That's going to be a useful bag. Alright, so this is 14-piece 3/8 drive Nano impact. I keep saying impact. All of these videos have me saying that. Let's start over. Astro Pneumatic 14-piece. Move the lights. Astro Pneumatic 14-piece 3/8 drive Nano impact socket set metric. Part number 78314. This shows material, chrome molybdenum or CR-MO, includes one aluminum socket holder and impact sockets in the following size: 6mm, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Made in Taiwan. At 0.88 of an inch or 22.5 millimeter long, sockets are 35% shorter than shallow impact sockets and 15% shorter than other stubby impact sockets. All sockets feature a 17 millimeter outside hex for increased access when used with a wrench. Forged chrome molybdenum or chrome moly with superior material thickness between socket body and drive compared to other sets. Information pack and the sockets. And this is just the information. It's got the information for, intended use, as well as the parts list if you need to replace the sockets, stuff like that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. These are so nice. I love everything about these sets. I wish they came in a master set. But these are just, for the price, they are very nice sockets. I'm not going to make this video, extremely long. I've done a crap ton of these videos. There is no skips. That's another thing I like. Check out this 6mm. It's just so tiny. It's so nice. There is a little oil on these. I do like that they're stamped on the back, 6mm chrome moly, and then look like etched or painted on the front. We'll see how long those last. The part numbers are on the sockets as well. Hopefully the part numbers and everything don't rub off, but you know, I think that's why they give you the sheet. That way, if it does happen, you know, things happen, that you won't lose them, or you can at least replace them. All in all, it's a very nice set. I will end up getting the other ones. These I didn't pay anything for. I had all the sets that I've shown on the channel recently, I didn't pay for. I had a gift certificate from Amazon because of a messed up order that the Amazon A to Z claim team's still investigating. But in the meantime, they gave me well over $200 to spend because of the fact that they're so behind. It was just it's going to take a while. We're sorry. Here's, you know, something equal to what you spent to use on whatever you like. So I bought a bunch of sockets. You know, these sockets are really nice. I like them a lot. And they're not really that expensive, between $30 and $40 for these styles, and the pinless Nano socket, universal, or the pinless, the pinless swivel sockets with their own sockets sizes. Those are a little pricier, you know, between $50 and $65, but Husky's pin socket set that has skips at Home Depot is like $59. After tax, it's about $63 or so, somewhere in there. You might as well get the nicer quality from Astro Pneumatics. I have a lot of Astro Pneumatic tools, and I love their tools. I have blow guns and all kinds of their tools. A lot of air ratchets, stuff like that. A few impacts. I have the Big Nasty, which is an air hammer. Eric O from South Main Auto, I'll put his channel up here, as well as the one of his videos with Big Nasty. He calls it Big Nasty. That's why everybody on YouTube now calls it Big Nasty. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And if I didn't say Ohio Power Tools, go check them out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!